Wow.
Give me the scissors.
What? You go with the scissors? That's what you have the green one. Nag-enjoy na si Sean eh.
Mahirap eh, scotch tape ko game.
Oh.
Nico! Wow!
Oh, you have the blue one.
Hindi siya nakikipag-
Another one, yeah.
That's your open that. That's a lot of...
What's the next?
Wow, pencil case. That's from that's from Auntie Ash.
Sean, open your gift, Sean. Sean?
Wait lang, saglit lang. What's that?
Oh, yan na.
Sige, ako na mag-video, Hans.
Wait, I got cereals box.
Bonnie and Barbie.
Cereal box? You've got cereal box?
Oh my god, I got that on the space. Oh yeah, for my dinner. What's that?
Yan yung binili namin sa kanya.
Ano yan?
Kasi akala ko
Sean.
Open it first.
It's a slime!
Wala akong pakialam.
Woo!
This is nice.
Is it this one? Yeah, you read first.
Yours?
I got Captain America.
Did you open your fries? There's inside something here. Open it. It's not a cereal. It's not a cereal.
Wait, what?
It's not a cereal.
I think it's a strawberry.
Oh, where's from Uncle Harris?
Control track. This is for an experiment.
What's this?
Tama ba yung binigay mo net na regalo? Kay, ano?
Oh, that's my
Ah, it's a pillowcase.
Here.
Oo.
From me.
Yeah, that's
Ayun na. Okay na.
Hey, Daddy! Daddy!
Daddy's upstairs.
Oh, yeah.
Wow!
I buy that.
Oh, ikaw pa yun yan eh. Pinabalot-balot mo pa eh.
Oh, man, we make
Sabi niya po ate din. Sabi niya.
Yes,
Sabi niya, you put Christmas. Sabi ko, ano Christmas? Sabi niya, you put like that. Sabi ko, okay.
Kahit nakita na niya.
Wow! Nick has a lot of gifts. So many.
I got a picture.
Oh, that's from Lola.
Thank
Wow!
you, Lola.
O next! Haris yung mga regalo mo sa mga bata. O next, yung kay daddy naman, kay Lolo, net. Wow! Oh my God, Avengers! Ay, V-Rose!
Wow!
Avengers!
Good. Okay, that's all.
See your toys, ha?
Sabi niya wala akong bakit.
Let me open first.
Wow, Nico! What's
Did you see TV?
Yeah, check Chippy.
Mommy!
He must
First,
have
Chippy.
like everything, civil engineer, farming, and
fighting?
Kuya Balong. Pili ka.
So, si...
Wala ba from Kuya Balong?
Wala.
Balong.
Pili na lang siya. O, next.
feeling ko parehas naman.
Oh, parehas lang siguro.
O, yan. Sa'yo. Sa inyo. Sino
Ako,
number
okay.
3?
Number 3 ako.
Parang susunod lang tayo.
Oh, tayo. Ito pa, yung inabunod ko pa kay Ash.
Okay, tayo ka!
Four.
Sige ka muna sa'yo. Describe mo.
May your days be merry and bright. Your present is from someone who's fair as Snow White. A loving mother, a pretty girl, and a cute boy. Her kiddos definitely are her bundle of joy. Siyat name mo to?
Lalit! Si Josie!
Snow White pala!
Mabuti mo
Lalit
kayo.
mabuti!
So, si Tim, pag nakakuha na kay Tim dito, yun o. Kasi nakuha mo na. Sino pa gano'n natin to?
Thank
Next,
you!
sino number 4?
Galing nga. Talaga pinaghirapan, ha?
Kaya nga.
Oh.
Ay, siya?
O, diba?
Kaya pala po yan si ate.
Kakaano ng ano. Okay, hulaan yung sino.
Niligpit na.
Do you know that Santa is on his way? He's loaded lots of toys and goodies on his sleigh. She's, babae to, sigurado. She's the only rose among the thorns. As Lola Mira used to say, when she plays the guitar, you can't help but cheer.
Ay, wait.
To her dad, mom, brother, she truly is very dear.
Hindi ko lang
Mali-mali pala in action. Bakit mo wala lang yan?
Hindi kayo pwede maano.
Nakuha mo lahat? O, next. Number 4. Wait,
4,
Sinet.
5 na.
Ako na. Pupunod ako dito.
Sa'yo to?
Ito may number.
Baka may nahawakan na
Kanina
ganito.
to kayo napunod.
Wala ka.
Ito yan eh. Daddy mo muna.
Baka yung mga natapon lang. Saka tape pa to do. Yung pinagtakpin mo.
Ano yan yung number?
Ay na.
Yung sequence?
Siko sa bubunot. Pero yung may point.
Sino na? Number 9. Sa lahat.
Masabi mo siya lahat?
Wala pa siya.
Mommy, where's my cell phone?
Kasi di na liyan.
Di ba dala mo yung cellphone mo nung pumunta ka dito?
Para sa natin natawag.
Hindi ko alam. Ay, ito pala.
Game na. Ito na number 5.
Okay, basahin mo.
Good tidings to you and all of your kin. She's a true beauty with fairly white skin. She wants everything clean and loves to tidy up. Her hobby is going to the mall to shop.
Grabe ka neta.
Bakit sabi mo sa atin eh?
Para sure.
Ay, ba't mo pinapili?
Baka mo kinuha na. Nasaan na?
Tago yung mga description.
Saan yun? Akin yung description. Akin yan, di ba? Ako yan?
Bibigay ko sa inyo.
Ako ba yun? Ako?
Bibigyan mo siya yung gift mo, bibigyan mo sa kanya.
Okay, kay Mami or Daddy.
Tapos ako na.
Sinong next?
Oh, 6, 7.
Ikaw.
Ba't ganun?
Okay.
Parang,
How to read.
How to read 101. Ito na. Chestnuts roasting on an open fire, Jack Frost sniffing at her nose. She's lovely, a good cook, and a very welcoming host. Her lasagna and chicken embutido.
Ay, grabe. Nakakain ako. Ay, magugustuhan ito. Matutuwa dyan si Ate Net.
Isa pa.
Makasunod din ang bulot mo?
Ako last, ako 16.
ako 15.
Okay, Kuya Ed.
Magkasunod tayo, ako last.
Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? From whom is your gift, are you wondering? Transformers, Play-Doh, Nerf, Dungeons and Dragons, and Monopoly 2.
Si Hans yan.
No, you surely do.
Si Harris.
That your gift is from our family's youngest bro, who makes his bro.
Description. Kunin mo yung description.
Sinong next? After 7.
8.
Walang 8.
After 8, wala. 9.
Birthday ko rin 8.
5 ka, heck.
Sino yan?
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. If you're craving for beef jerky, he surely has a pack.
Ay, ako yun.
So hurry to that person. This mark is the year's start. Who has a dear girl named Samantha in his heart.
Galing ah. Galing mo neta. Grabe. Ikaw na. Ang galing ah. Sina't lahat gumawa dyan.
Ikaw next.
Galing ah.
Hanep.
Ano magbibigay sa'yo?
Gail, ano nakuha mo?
Deck the house with bows of holly.
La.
Who loves to bully. Ay! Those are all just playful contest. He's just fond of poking fun at his nephews and me.
Thank you.
Alam mo kaagad ah.
Sino ang bigay? Ay, ako pala magbibigay. Yay! Kakasya ba sa'yo yan? Ala, dami ba ito? Oo, yung mga damit lang kinuha ko mga
Ano number mo?
10. 11.
Ako 11.
Ako 15. Ako 15.
Last time. Ikaw second to last ako.
Kaya pala wala pang riga. Hindi din ba?
Wala na yung number. Ano na yung description?
Yung sequence lang. Kaya ako sino magbibigay sa'yo.
La. To be jolly.
Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. His names are that of a famous train or a king. Future doctor of the family. His parents will truly be proud and happy.
No.
Ano ibig sabihin?
Si Tom yan.
Si Tom.
Di ako kasali, di ako
Kasi
follow.
yung name niya kasi wala.
Pero tatago ko to.
Bunot, oo.
Kukuha pa ako na isa.
Thomas Red and King.
Woohoo!
Kukuha pa ako na isa.
Isa pa.
Thomas.
Woohoo!
Simulit yan, mabubunot mo. Sketchy.
You better not pout, you better not cry. It's your turn to get your present, so put on a smile. Get your gift from the person who now eats less pork and works in the company they call the Kapamilya Network. Si Kuya.
Sabi mo sa yung gano'n si daddy mo. Natatawa. Ay, hindi.
Akala ko.
Hindi, di ba?
Yan ba yun ha? Hindi ba? Hindi akala ko. Nag-iba kayo. Akala ko. Kasi parehas, no?
Ito kay Kuya Ed to.
Have a holly jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year. He's saving his allowance with goal in mind, so clear. To buy himself a Nintendo Switch. For sure when he gets old, it will then be a car.
Wow!
Si Dami. Asama
Wow!
ka.
Welcome to the adult world.
Next. 13.
Si Arby wala no.
Wala si Arby.
Wala eh.
14, oh. Ikaw
Ay,
na.
ako na,
Ay, 14, oh.
15 ako eh.
Last time, dalawa.
Oo.
Tayo na lang dalawa wala, di ba?
Oo.
Kayo dalawa wala. Meron ka na, di ba?
Ano ba nabulot sa sarili niyo?
Meron pa na.
Meron na ako?
Yun na yun pa eh.
Ay,
Hindi ako.
Angels we have heard on high, singing sweetly through the night. When he's a kid, he would cry if he sees you do things that aren't right. The best husband to his wife, the best father to his son. He hasn't outgrew his love for molding clays, even now that he's a man.
Hindi ko mag-declare. Hindi ko makain.
Ikaw magbibigay sa kanya.
Here
Thank
you
you
go.
very much.
There you go.
Ayan. O, next.
15 ako na.
Tayong dalawa na lang wala. Eh, ba't tatlo pa to? Sino pa wala?
Si Tim.
Si Mami.
Si Tim and Tom, wala pa.
Hindi, kasi isa lang talaga.
Hindi, ginawa mo si Tim.
Pero hindi pa nakakuha.
Oo. Hindi si Tim, di ba pag ginawa. Meron pa yung kay Tim.
Hindi
Pero nakakuha na. Yung Tim
Oh,
mo.
yung kay Tim ko, yung makakuha kay Tim. Nakakuha kay Tim cancel yun, ah. Pero
Pakibigay na lang po sa akin.
Ito kay Mami at
Tatapin mo lang tayo.
Okay.
Oo. So, ang hindi na lang nakukuha ito galing sa akin.
Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Many say she's a sungit, but she's usually calm. When she's asleep, yes, just let her be, or else you need to get out of the way of the girl born in February. Net.
Ako nga.
Hindi, alam mo na. Alam mo na yung regalo. Kayo lang
Alam niyo yung poem eh.
magkakasama yata kayo namili eh.
Hindi niya alam yan.
Kay Mami na to.
O, yan na nga yun. Kung si Tim or si...
Meron pa lang bigay sa'yo? Ay, binigay mo rin sa'yo.
Oo nga. Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining. She works in a company that does freight forwarding. She's a wife who's so patient and understanding, so her shoes is never so caring and loving.
Si Ate Sol. Ate Sol yan.
Basahin yung kay Tim.
Ay, basahin
Ay,
niyo.
kay Tim, wala.
Basahin natin yung kay Tim.
Sakto, hindi lang ulit yung kay Tim.
Hark! The herald angels sing, glory to the newborn king. The eldest Apo, and of course the eldest pamangkin. The K-pop star seems to be his life. Teaching online is his means of living.
Eldest pala si Tim, akala ko ikaw.
Sabay-sabay open.
Okay, open na tayo.
Sino yung bigay sa akin ng gift? Si Gail? Gail sa akin, no?
Open na lahat meron. Lahat.
Open na, open na.
Okay,
Oh, I don't feel open.
Ay, kakoni sa'yo. Hindi yan.